Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a 99 Nights in the Forest Easter Bunny. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 99 Nights in the Forest Easter Bunny, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a circle shape that's just going to come up and then down to here. I'm going to leave this part open. Now, inside of here, let's make an oval shape at an angle. Then on this side, we're going to make another oval shape at an angle like this. Next, let's draw an oval shape inside, and then we'll do an oval shape inside like this. Now, right here, let's draw a little upside-down triangle shape for the nose. Then let's draw a line that's going to go down and up like this. Then we'll make another one. It's just going to go down and then up like this. Let's draw two little lines on each side for some whiskers. Next, we're going to go down, over, and up for the teeth, and a little line down. Now for the mouth, let's draw a line that's just going to go down. We're going to curve this around and up. Then we're going to go down, over, and then up like this. Now let's make sure to connect it right here. Now for the ears, let's draw a line that's going to come up to a point, and then we're just going to bring it back in. We'll draw that same shape right inside of here, just a little bit smaller. Over here, let's draw this line up, and this time we're going to go over about halfway. We're going to go down and up like this. Next, let's draw 1, 2, and then 3 lines down. Now, for the body of our Easter Bunny, let's bring this line down, and then let's kind of curve this line out and then in. Let's draw a line that's going to come down and then out like this. Same thing here, down and then out like this. Let's draw a line that's going to curve down and then come up. Same thing here, we're going to curve this line down and then come up. We're going to go up and down, and then we're going to come back up. We'll make another one come out like this. And we'll bring it in here. Then we'll make one more like this, and then bring it over. Same thing here, we're going to bring this up and kind of curve it down and up. We're going to make one come down like this, and bring it in. And then we'll just kind of make one come down here, bring it up, and a little line in. We can make another little line here. Next, we're going to curve this, and we're going to curve this. We're going to bring this line in and then back up. Same thing here, bring it in and then back up. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. Same thing here, we're going to bring this out and then down. Let's make this line come out and then bring it back. Same thing here, we're going to bring this line out and then bring it back. We'll bring this line up and in. Same thing here, bring this up and then in. Then we'll just connect it right here. Let's go ahead and put a little bump here for a tail. And then we're going to go 1 and then 2 little lines here for some toes. We'll do 1 and then 2 little lines. Then, just to finish this off, let's just make a little circle shape, or oval shape, I should say, right here on the stomach. And there you go. There's your drawing of a 99 Nights in the Forest Easter Bunny. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.